stop rendering black lifeless windows in Lumion 12.5. If your window looks like a dark mirror or reflects just the skies with zero details from the interior, you are killing your realism. Let me show you the 2 minute fix that changed my workflow. First, stop using the imported glass if you're not using Archicad. So you have to switch from the already imported glass to the pot glass. Okay, but here I'm using the interior glass 002. The next thing you have to do is the transparency. You increase it to this full if you do not import with Archicad. The second stuff is to reduce the internal reflection and bring it down so that it does not look like a mirror. After doing this, make sure you bring it down to 0.1. The next secret sauce is to change this color from green and change it to plain white so that it will look realistic. Save, and let's go to the movie mode where I render my videos, where I render my pictures to make it look classic. Now, go to your FX to import the reflection planes, which we are going to put on the glasses. When you get the reflection planes, you click on the active plane so that you start putting it on the glass and let's start getting to work. Click the plus sign and I'm going to show you something. When you click it on where there isn't any reflection plane there, you'll be noticing something like this blue or this red color over here. So that means that is not going to be reflecting anything. But when you have it on a green color, it means it's going to be reflecting. Now look at this. You place it here. You place it over this area. Don't forget to place it here, even though we're not going to be using that area, and we'll place it here. Then on the door, you also notice that there should be a reflection from there. So after doing that, we just click OK and increase the settings so that we see what we have already done. Double click the screen to get a preview of your design before you will render what you have already done. Now we have to double click it and you see the preview in it. You can see the difference between a glass which will reduce the internal reflection so that it won't look like a mirror and added a reflection to it from a normal glass. Now this is a normal glass. This is a glass without a reflection plane, and this is a glass with a reflection plane. I have actually pre-configured all these glass and lighting settings into my Realism master preset for Lumion 12.5. I have already helped 20 designers this week to level up. Hit the link on my bio to grab the pack and start rendering like a pro. Don't forget to subscribe and follow for more.